Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a quick follow-up on the video that I posted earlier, I shared earlier from Hazel from Dragons Paper Crafts. It was the stamp storage folders that she's devised. I've had a go at doing one. This is the one that I've done with all the little tabs and everything. But I've done mine slightly differently. The tabs over here, I think Hazel did them 5.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. So 5.5 centimeters that way by 3.5 centimeters that way, and then she scored at 2 centimeters for the to know where to stick it. But I've actually made mine 5 centimeters that way, that length, because then it means that I can get 4 on an A4 sheet. I can get 4 up like that. Whereas if I did it a little bit longer, then I wouldn't have been able to get 4 and it would have overlapped a little bit. And I just wanted to have them so they didn't overlap. So that's entirely up to you. But I did mine at 5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The other thing I did was I stuck my tabs on the left hand side rather than on the right hand side, because I thought it just worked easier for me. And then the other thing I've done as well inside, if you'll notice, rather than actually taking the stamps as Hazel did, she actually stuck the back of this. She actually stuck that bit onto the piece of card, and then the other piece she stuck onto the other side so that it would stick on like that. But I like to leave the stamps in the packaging. So all I've done is I've actually I haven't got any to show you, but basically all I've done is where the top little hangy bit is usually, I've just cut that off so you can get access in the top rather than going in the bottom. And that means that I can then, all I've done is I've used red liner tape on the back of the packaging, the actual cellophane bag, which means I'm using the packaging as well. And then I just slide the stamps into the packaging like that. Just makes it a little bit more secure, I think, because sometimes stamps can lose their sticky a little bit when they get a bit old or a bit dirty. And to stop them from falling out the bottom, if they're in a little pocket, then it's going to stop them from sliding out, and you might end up losing some of the little ones or whatever. So if they're in the packets like that, then they're not going to go anywhere. So as you can see, I've got the die and then the coordinating stamps there. And I've just, this is an A4 sheet that I've just scored at 14.5 centimeters either side. But I've only put, these are A6 stamps, but because I've got the packaging with them as well, it takes up more room. But I think that's fine. I like it like that. Yeah, so I've got some more there. These ones, because these are A7 stamps, I've actually put those sideways, so you can actually get into them from the left hand side, or just, you know, lift it up and get your fingers in like that to lift them out. Yeah, so I've got those ones, that one, a couple more, and then that one I've got space for another A7 stamp set when I get that. And then that's my last one. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 what they call 5 leaves to my book at the moment. But I'm probably going to have, because I can get 4 tabs up on a thing nicely, I'll probably just have 8 in a book and just leave it at that, because it's going to be quite thick if you go any thicker than 8 or 10, I think. And then all I've done on the front is I've just used my good old faithful Sentimentally Yours stately double debossed rounded corner rectangle stamp dies, which I love these ones. And I've actually used, I think it's the second and third one in, just to do a black matte. And then this was actually a scrap of card from when I did the Pixie, not the Pixie Powders, the Airless Mister Facebook Live a couple of weeks ago. So all I've done is I've just die cut that out with the nesting dies, and then I've just stamped a few of the stamps using VersaFine. And then down the bottom, all I've done is I've just put Julie Hickey 2020, so I know that all my Julie Hickey 2020 stamps are going to go in this little set, and then I'll have a new one when I get some new stamps. And I've just used my Cricut Joy for that, but you can just do it manually. You can use dies to spell it out, or anything like that. And I've left my tabs blank at the moment. I'm probably not going to bother putting anything on them because I'm just going to flick through, I think. But if you wanted to, you could put descriptions of what's in there as well. So thank you very much, Hazel from Dragons Paper Crafts. Have a look at their page and like and share their page as well. It's always good to support other craft shops. Thanks very much for that. I love this concept. And I'm going to be doing lots of other ones. I'm going to be doing all of our woodware stamps, the gnome ones that we've had in, all Phil's Sentimentally Yours stamps, and probably lots of other ones. So hope you get on well with that. Any problems, let us know. If you've joined our Valley Crafters group, then share your makes on there as well for us. Thank you very much. Take care, and we shall see you soon. Bye.